This guide will walk you through the steps to enable more granular category functionality in the PromptROI application. First, click Settings on the left sidebar. Then click White Label. Next, click Customize. Finally, click on Categories. In this box, you can add a new category just like you would before. Except now you have 4 options to decide who can see prompts in these categories. The first is available for all. This means anyone can see these prompts. Then you have super users, which, of course, means anyone who has been added manually as a super user can see prompts in this category. Next, you have subscribers, which means anyone who has signed up to one of your subscription plans can see prompts in this category. And finally, you have super users and subscribers if you want both of those groups to be able to see prompts in this particular category. When you're done, click Add Category, and now any prompt labeled with this particular category will have those specific permissions applied. And as you can see here in the list, there's our new category ready to go. That's it for this video. Now you know how to use these extra controls to provide a more customized experience for your end users.